The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The human brain is the single most complex object in the known universe, with a dizzying number of neuronal connections and the mechanism by which is produced consciousness, which is not yet well understood. We will have to be satisfied with a mere introduction to this organ. It's the brain, of course, that sorts out all the sensory information and gives orders inside your body. It also carries out the most complex functions such as thinking, feeling, and remembering. Meanwhile, your spinal cord conducts the wave signals between your brain and the rest of your body.
Main division of brain divided into three as forebrain,
Midbrain,
hindbrain. Forebrain, where those motive and complex emotion are stored and processed. Forebrain, the most interesting part to psychologists, focus on cerebral cortex, limbic system, thalamus, hypothalamus, amygdala, and hippocampus.
Midbrain,
Station that connect message to the body part. Hindbrain control some basic processes necessary for life.
The frontal lobe is personality and emotion, higher thinking skill, like problem solving and controlling movement. It's continue to develop until you are in your mid-20s. The temporal lobe help process your hearing and the other senses, and help with language and reading. The parietal lobe is involved with your senses, attention, and language. The occipital lobe help your eyes see, including recognition of shape and colors. The thalamus, in the center of the brain, relays sensory and motor information to the cortex and help with consciousness, sleep, and alertness. 12 pairs of cranial nerves carry information from your senses to and from the brain and your body. Lower in the brain, you find the cerebellum, which play a key role in motor control, coordination, and spatial navigation, so we can find our way out of a maze, for example. Underneath in the brainstem, which connect the brain to the spinal cord, a nerve pathway that run all the way down your back, sending and receiving information from your sense. The brainstem including the pons, which help control our breathing.
So let's summarize what we have learned today. Firstly, we learned that the brain is a part of our central nervous system made up with the spine. Secondly, we learned the functions of the brain and how it is important to our body. Thirdly, we learned the three main divisions of the brain, which are the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. And last but not least, we learned the parts of the brain and how each part is essential to our body and how it plays its role in our daily lives.